I don't understand though. We come black, come small, come short.
Come lean.
You notice, come lean. Why?
Lean. I don't know.
We black, we short, we lean. Why that happen?
Na New Year. Na New Year.
I didn't like. I'm not. See. I'm not enjoying this New Year vibe. What happened? Why so black?
Me, I enjoy it too. I'm already black.
Why so black? I'm not this dark. Okay. We don't big now.
We don't big one kind. We can't big one kind. Call Sora.
We can't.
Anyway. How everybody day? How not day? Hope everybody make too much brain. How your night be? We'll say Happy New Year again to everybody because it be like this now. And at the very 4th day of the year January, month January, the year 2016, now we day like this. So I want to get used to this side of the chair, so I try to just adjust myself.
Make I know they go merry-go-round.
Because before I look like this, now I'm going to look like this, so you get it be. But anyway, my hair can't be good.
And they tell you, say this is no pure today. See as we be. Me, my leg continue one kind.
Because my head can't be one kind. Anyway, now sign of progress being made. You understand? Because now New Year since this. See your wristwatch.
You dey feel am. You dey feel am. Now walk. Don't worry.
Oh.
Don't worry yourself. They feel am, abi.
Carry.
You understand?
You carry weight. And all the kidneys inside they walk.
Everything. It's a roller coaster.
We will get there. We get there.
All right. So good morning to you. Anywhere where you day, anytime where you day, watch our morning, afternoon, night, greetings, good day. Now, paddy be this. I'm not really sure what the intention is for our. I can't resemble my mama. Wow.
No, she born you.
I look like my mother today.
Please take a picture and send to mommy.
If you don't know my mother, look at me right now. This is my mother.
Yes.
We look at come on. My mother is quite a pretty girl.
Mayowa.
Anyway, welcome on.
Mayowa. You can't be like say you reduce.
Like say I lose weight, I mean. But say I don't lose weight.
But what you take this period do?
Oh, come on. I was cooking New Year food. That is all I did this New Year. I'm never going to lie to you. I can't enter road, begin go Asaba. By road.
For that Asaba? From where?
From Lagos. I go Calabar. From Calabar, I go Calabar Thursday. I go Calabar Friday. I go in the morning time. I now live in Calabar. I goes to Onitsha by road. We come at Onitsha, now enter Asaba. From the Asaba, we can't do hustle, hosting something. On Sunday, we begin blow by road, come back Lagos. My brother, this weekend, I tire.
From Asaba?
From Asaba.
Say like 5 hours now. 5, 6 hours.
I tire. So don't worry yourself.
Just like they will go by road, go acquire. Now that I know, say, this yash, they give up. My yash give up. Say, it's not like this. I don't tire.
By road, easy. If you are a traveling person and you dey travel by road, we're done.
We clap for you.
It's a dangerous mission.
Anyway, at the end of the day, I just want to say because you guys you don't take reduce one kind. So I just say you have given, you have emit many things.
No. I didn't do duties. It was stress.
It was stress.
Yes.
Okay.
It was quite a stressful weekend for moi.
Okay. Una welcome though, and we don't start the show like this. Say we dey relate with una based on the party where we be. First of all, before we can share the paddiness, give everybody waiting for us, they watch us like this. Alright, so no checking at all. We dey here and the show don't start. Mayowa and of course Ogbolor together with everybody. We they come back after this break. We'll continue with the rest of the show. Alright, so no go anywhere and I'll sell the party show. Alright, we they come back.
You know what they do you. Ayana, do Anna. Open it close. Oh yeah, baby, our salary would use play. You know when two people talk, say okay, you know what? Our salary is okay. We don't want a gain. We don't really want it now.
So shall it be this year? No, this year you got money we go receive.
Okay, we'll go make. We'll go talk say
salary.
We making money.
Oh.
We making money.
Hey.
We making money this year.
Oh.
We making money this year. No matter what they do, making money this year. This year.
Oh.
This year.
Oh.
No more loss. So for my first gist,
Bam.
you don't say where we don't get plenty escapee for inside prison. The first record of the one we didn't record now, the one we escaped for about 45 years, 11 months. Leonardo Friasco for inside Nevada, for inside USA. And then another one at the that great train robber, Ronnie Biggs. Ronnie Biggs, 32 years before him. Now himself can't carry himself, come talk, say, I don't run again, no. I don't tire, come and take me away.
Sure.
Now, this particular man, he done the run for the past 60 years.
60?
Yes, they put him for jail for inside December 1955 for inside Portland, for Dorset, for inside Portland, for the Venice prison for there. Because of, say, in thief, motto, all these motto thieving people. Yes, and he's supposed to serve 12, 21 months. That's a year. That's not. It's not even up to a year.
Not up to a year. A year and nearly 10 months.
No. More than 2. It's not up to 2 years.
Not to
Sorry,
2 years now.
it's not up to 2 years.
A year
and about 10 months. Yes. So they say making concept 21 months. Now my guy boil out. You know, every 30 days. You know, reach 1 month into your first month of the tenure for prison.
Move.
The guy moved. Now,
Wow.
but shit, he take tight, they jump the fence. 60 years later, that now they still they find out.
So the guy is still at large.
Oh wow.
You never see
Oh wow. His name now John Patrick Hannan.
John Patrick Anna. Wow.
John Patrick Hanna.
So they still they find him today.
As me and you they speak like this and they find Patrick.
Now me say this guy for prison break, Michael Scofield. Let me say he been get mentors.
He been get mentors.
Because
Patrick was 21 years old when they put him for prison.
21.
Now he go down to like 81.
Plus 60.
Because 60 years ago.
Anyway, Patrick, anyone way you do, but wait to the road to the prison.
My brother.
Anyway, not be crazy with this.
I just want to tell you, say, now for only Onyibo and now once in a while it happen. This one, if you run, then go catch you. You don't go even reach the gate.
But wait to
then go catch you.
But for this country, prison are they run for this country.
When you go see some kind tough cement.
I don't know.
Some kind barbed wire like
I never heard
this.
say person run for this country.
Some kind barbed wire like this. They go catch you.
That means maybe our security system for our prisons they better.
I think so.
Say our men they know the reason escape route.
Escape route. Because you know say when one escape, when they dig hole for inside the wall, you can't hook for the barbed wire.
Exactly.
the kind thing where they take make our prison, my brother, ancient one. So cutter, no be cutter. Nobody yourself.
Just go hook inside say, I beg go trust our police.
Yes,
you go die there.
But back and forth, there's no need to do any crime to the extent of entering prison.
Exactly.
All right. So
shun evil.
Yes, shun evil. Try.
Okay. As it be like this, based on saying that New Year just starts and everybody try, form spiritual right now, which somehow fit escape from. Our Lagos State Governor, Mr. Akinwumi Ambode, General Overseer of RCCG, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, the wife of Lagos State Governor, Mrs. Bolanle Ambode, the wife of General Overseer of Redeemed Christian Church of God, Mrs. Foluke Adeboye, and even General Overseer of Redeemed Christian Evangelical Mission, TREM, Bishop Michael Okonkwo, all of them gathered for annual Thanksgiving service for Lagos House for Ikeja on Sunday, January 3rd, just to make sure, they pray together to carry the whole level, go forward. They pray, all their gathering not go there in vain. At least all this one they say make the cool face about God ask for guidance for this country, for this state of Lagos. They pray at the end of the day the prayers go work, because no matter how we want to look at, if we say make we use our own power to do some kind of things, it not go work. So right now when Nigeria even there as a whole, now God they even help we need. But be you Christian, be you Muslim, or be you any side where you dey. And I see God now go help all of us last. So
at the end of the day, no matter the situation of everything, we still need the help of the Creator.
Exactly. So any which way, like Elia said, their prayer go come to pass. Amen. Amen. All right. So quickly, make we go for this break. And by the time we go for this break, come back, then we go continue the entire show on top of the Party Show, still with your boy, Ogbos, and of course, your very correct girl, Mayolistic Mayowa. We will come back right about now. No go nowhere.
To tell you people, I just want to tell you people that look, when I'm 82 years old, I'm gonna do ballet. Ballet. Do you worry yourself? That is a ballet. If young people used to do ballet, in what other people do that they have face of 80-year-old person, they have a body of a 32-year-old person. That is a ballet.
She say this thing now good to inspire and motivate our older people for us when they watch this thing now. They're going to look now. No, me I must do this thing. Oh, they're going to climb wire for streets. Please. More live for you, but they do their own thing. Their bone, their skin is different from our own. No.
Ogbolo, your grandmammy.
Huh?
Your grandmammy, Ogbolo, grandmammy climb wire.
Climb wire, go do it.
Grandmammy climb wire. He drop one leg, the other leg hang. Ogbolo, grandmammy since 2 days, he cannot come down wire. I tell
this woman why she like to show herself.
He cannot come down wire.
Why is she showing herself? Wait, Mona off transformer. Please, before you shock upon it. Off transformer because I know her. Next thing she wants to use artistic hold the wire.
Jai.
Please,
but that's an inspiration.
Very
tell
inspirational
you.
Thing, no.
Learn to be fit. Learn to be. You don't say
that
you
woman, but not before old age. She don't start this.
No, you don't say.
You don't
say where she go down. They do exercise. As a matter of fact, say make I tell you something. Not deceive yourself. Oh. Not be only person wey fat, wey get body. Now you know they fit. Oh. Even we when we lepa like this, some of us know they fit. Oh.
Exactly.
And they tell you this thing.
True. If they some fat people will fit past
some skinny people. If they say, hey, sebe now, some of us no fit run.
Yes. But go see some fat people.
So I beg, stay fit. Once in a while exercise. It's not bad. Take jogs, take walks, do a bit of press up, a bit of squats. Just be okay. You understand?
One day for this show, say, we will carry person come.
May come teach us exercise. So that you can have a toned skin. You understand? Hello, there. You get?
Yeah.
You can have a fitting body. You understand? Yeah.
No, maybe they look your body. You don't marry.
You can have a fitting body.
But do
you have part
one
two?
hand.
Waiting.
No one hand. I feel do invisible hand. What's the one hand? Invisible hand.
Sit down. Before your game will hit floor now. All right, okay. Hello, sir.
It's on jazz again.
Yeah. Hey, Mawobi. Sir, if you want the car,
yes,
you can come and have it.
Come and have it.
Yeah.
Go
why you shouting? If you want the model car, you can come and have it.
No come mainland again.
We are talking about the two tycoons in the industry. One of them is the YBNL king, Olamide Bado, and the other one, na the Mavins king, Don Jazzy again. The two of them during Eddie's it happened in the Friday. They have a clash nation. If you enter Twitter, if you enter Instagram,
Twitter they hot.
If you enter Facebook, if you enter inside WhatsApp, if you enter inside the street, you're gonna hear the thing that is happening. Old Bayale. The two of them was Igbogo. After all the many things, two of them are reconciled. They are not fighting again. Excuse me, Uncle Sir. Excuse me, Uncle Ambode. I want to report, sir. Olamide and Don Jazzy, they are fighting. They are not fighting again, no. They can say Olamide and Don Jazzy both shared the photo on their respective Instagram pages and wrote, "We are very sorry for the wahala, make una no vex. Now our responsibility to lead, but then again, we are only human and we all make mistakes. We are sorry, headies. We are sorry, fans. Peace and unity." Two of them. But for this photo,
Olamide.
This photo.
Is he carry beef for me?
My bado see they do the lion is out.
Yes.
The beast is out.
Beast mode. You understand? But last though, no matter how you want it to be, because this whole thing, the anger we photo them get now still based on their children. No?
Yeah. Based on
it's not like two fathers where they fight because of their picking.
Yeah.
So last but for me, forget all these things be like to me it's civil action film. Say more you use yet taste that one kind noise.
You understand?
And everything.
understand?
Our record goes sing.
You understand?
You understand? So to me, because we don't
You
thank
know,
God.
the song where they sing together, not to blow the light.
Now.
You know, to blow like that.
So maybe nothing go blow.
Before you know anything go happen now, you go just hear Olamide featuring Don Jazzy. Or Don Jazzy featuring DJ Small.
You understand? But any which way,
Or Ricardo Banks featuring Lil Kesh.
Because, but you got to you know, say now Ricardo not can win the next rated. We can't make Olamide vex. Now Lil Kesh not supposed to win now.
Yeah.
But Ricardo Banks, I like the way he can take hand when they interview him. He talk say to him, say Lil Kesh get everything where he take to be the next rated winner. Where he can win. You say, boy, you can call and say, you wanna win a lot more, winner. You still do all those things to show you say, man. Our papa feel the fight too, but that don't mean say we as the children go fight our fight.
I just want to tell you, say, whoever be the PR of Maven Record,
you do work well.
I doff hat.
You do work well.
All right.
Because street take over. But street, are you voting? It's all I will actually ask you. So finish off what you do. But Nigerians, we bad.
Children of Wobe.
See, when they come reconcile, people come the vex.
And people don't go do t-shirts.
People
God,
don't
this thing.
I swear, they don't swear, don't do different things. Say, well, this fight must go on, like Drake and Meek Mills. But it not going go on. People on the face say, no, they first stress the fight. When they worry you now, don't you let trouble for this country. What's wrong with you? People are doing their own thing. You want to
shut up and read your story. I'm about gonna meet
this one our personal story. This one our you waiting concern me. Please, peace and tranquility in this country is what we need, not a tearing apart plagues. All right? Hey, I'm Wobe. All right. This one Snapchat. Two people go rob. They reach the finish. They can't go. They don't rob person motor or their belongings. They can't carry phone. They do. Hey.
Yes, that's us now.
That's us
we
now.
Just finished robbing.
We just robbed somebody.
We just robbed someone.
Yeah. They can't go put for Snapchat. Police can't define who rob motor. They can't go see the video for Snapchat. I said they don't take cash them. You know, pass that gist. So you as a person, but it thing also bring to mind, say make even us, even though we no go ever support robbery and all that, even us as people, we should also be very careful about social media. I mean, I take this whole gist now from another angle. Because sometimes, the way badness people think they track person. Now still on top of social media level.
Yes, of course.
Sometimes some people anywhere they I dey toilet, they will put location, boom. I dey for inside bedroom, boom. I dey with my wife, boom. I dey inside the boom. They feel they follow you for back. So make everybody just a bit careful on top of social media P. But this one we happy say police take their own hand, catch the thief.
This one, they know rob with sense.
No.
It don't be like that other one.
They don't get sense.
It don't be like that other one. Where then they find them. Then they find out because you go do robbery. You can't call the station, say, una no spare my name well.
My name where?
That's what they take cash.
Say, that arrow supposed to for the end.
Another one go do fraud. He snap picture, put for Instagram with the many money when in thief.
Say na me. Say I go.
It's
so,
just funny.
More you leave them.
When God won't catch person, a stupid thing you go do.
Now if you say their own, they do it for sport. Let's go and say, I'm bored. Let's go and rob a bank.
Let's go and rob a bank.
They can't rob a bank. They can't go record themselves, keep. But anyhow, batting are batting. So don't involve yourself for any badness, all right? So quickly, Mo will go for this break. By the time we come back from the break, for not a break actually, for Laugh the Laugh, all right? We'll come back, then we'll come out on top of the whole show. No go anywhere, we still there.
Andele, mommy, iya. What's popping?
Yeah! Move it.
Star Plus now that year. See them now. They don't go catch that boy when they play drum now. Make person go put her for correct band academy.
No,
they don't go catch them now.
But say the full squad, the first, this is they get back up.
They get back up. You don't see that girl. They even get Vixen.
I get Vixen now.
You don't see the girls.
They did
Vixen.
You understand? But the fact that all of them think calm. To show you say no matter where you
be able to invent those.
Yes, now because of them use local rubbish with that around to form everything. Yeah. That keyboard don't spoil.
That thing where the boy they take do. That thing where the boy they take do in jazz. Now the mama feel they find the cover of her pot of soup.
All of us do now. All of us do. All right. Anyway, Mayos.
Thank you so much for joining us on the show today. Follow us on top Twitter and Instagram at Wazobia TVNG on top Instagram at Wazobia Paddy on top Twitter. Individually, if you know that you want to follow us, it's okay. Follow our moving train. Come to the Instagram and follow at Mayowa Lambe, at Mayowa Ekpo on Instagram and at Ogbolo for Inside Instagram. For Twitter, na at Mayowa Lambe and at Funny Ogbolo on top Instagram. YouTube.com/Wazobia Paddy Paddy, including on Facebook. Face us with your problems. Facebook.com/Wazobia Paddy Paddy. We did there for you. And on top GoTV, of course, Channel 98. 11:30 up until 12 o'clock every day, Monday to Friday.
That's so. All right, ladies and gentlemen, jump on top Twitter, Wazobia Paddy Paddy, and then make all of us relate, all right?
You understand? The way I just talk now, I just feel the need to flick my hair.
And I feel you.
I really need to flick my hair, you understand? So thank you so much.
We love
See you again
tomorrow.
Bye.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.